The fight against sexual and gender-based violence is gaining momentum as awareness is getting to the grassroots by the day. One of such is the town hall meeting in Kuba, Buhari Area Council of the FCT, by Abuja Estate Initiative for Girls, with the theme, The Role of Religious Institutions in Combating Sexual and Gender-Based Violence.
NAPTIP arrest, prosecute, detain, investigate, rescue victims, take them away from danger, provide shelter for them. Then the perpetrator, we investigate his case and also prosecute him, if possible, charge the matter to court.
We're hoping that this town hall will address issues about high incidence and prevalence of sexual and gender-based violence in religious institutions. We are concerned about the increase in the incident, and cases are coming in from holy places we hope that was sacred. The places that should be sacred are where people, girls, and our women are being violated. Our women are being abused daily because poverty, because of lack of responsibility, or because people don't know that some of the things they are facing in their house is actually a violence. So lack of awareness, culture of silence, they don't want people to know. And most importantly, in the holy places where people now, they don't want their pastor to know, or they don't want their imam to know, so that they don't victimize them or they don't victimize the perpetrator. It's one of the reasons why we are coming to talk about it. Culture of silence, a whole lot of things is going on because of structural issues. During the COVID-19, we had increased rates of SGBB in FCT especially. FCT was number 3 in the whole 36 states, which shows that a lot of cases are being underreported.
The meeting identified possible ways of curbing this menace.
Whatever grammar we blow, the problem will still be there. We need what we call change of attitude. You need to change. And how do you change? There's no way you change somebody except you can change the heart. And this heart is only God that can reach the heart. So if this organization want to really curb this thing, not only in FCT, but let's say we are commencing, we are starting FCT, then the education is important. You can't change the heart without education. Most of these imams you are seeing, most of the pastors they are seeing, they are only reading the book of God, not to teach to the people, not to change the heart of it toward God, but they are doing it in order to earn money. Most of the churches have today, I can bet it with you, they are not churches where they teach the teaching of Jesus Christ. You hear miracle, because of what? That is where money can come. Some of these people you see, they have demo, they have all this thing going about, say they are manam. Are they doing it because of God? Are they doing it so that people can see salvation? Yes, it's capital no. Most of them are doing it so that they can earn something.
We mothers will have 99% of things to do pertaining our children. If you're opportune to be with your children, I'm so sorry. There are some people that are not opportune to be with their children, to teach their children all these things. Internet has caused a lot of problems in our children's life, in the society. I don't believe in this phone. This phone is a problem to us. But people say it solves problem, but it doesn't solve problem. It even puts problem in, increases problem. The same going to internet. Some children go to internet where I don't even know as a mother, and they see all these things happening. So we have to put eye in our children and know what they do. Our children, is so important to know what our children is doing.
Participants are optimistic that this will become a thing of the past with the level of awareness coming in.
Women are coming up, they're coming up to report cases that concern sexual and gender-based violence. So the issue of culture of silence, we are gradually trying to break it, because even men now are coming up to report cases that concern them, that what happens to them, how are they being abused verbally and psychologically. So in terms of improvement, we are the fight against sexual and gender-based violence is progressing.
This town hall meeting, in furtherance to the fight against sexual gender-based violence, is among many others carried out by Abuja Estate Initiative for Girls with support from MacArthur Foundation. Jethro Elia, AGTV News.